Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare stuffed cheesy mushrooms. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 packet mushrooms, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup rice flour. To cheese cubes, 2 spoons of lime juice, spoon cumin seeds, grated ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon, 1 onion, half capsicum, mint leaves, oil as required, chicken masala, turmeric powder, salt, red chilli powder, peppercorns. Now let us remove all the stems from the mushrooms and keep it aside. By removing stems from the mushroom, we are creating cavity to make stuffing. Do not throw away these stems. We are going to chop them finely and use them for stuffing. Switch on the stove, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and grated ginger and garlic, and saute for about half a minute. Now let us add finely chopped onions, saute onions until it turns translucent, and let us add finely chopped capsicum and saute them. Now let us add powdered spices, half a spoon of turmeric powder, chicken masala, red chilli powder, salt to taste, 2 spoons of lime juice, and some finely chopped mint leaves, and saute them. You may substitute chicken masala with garam masala as well. Now let us add the finely chopped mushroom stems and saute them. Saute for about 1 minute without adding any water. The mushroom stems would cook sufficiently. Now let us add grated cheese and gently mix them. Now you may switch off the stove and allow it to cool down. On the other side, take a mixing bowl, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 spoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, and mix them well. Now let us add water to the bowl and bring it to a consistency of a batter. Now let us start stuffing the mushrooms. Once the masala is cooled down, let us start stuffing the mushrooms one by one. I have used processed cheese. You may also use mozzarella cheese as well. Now the mushrooms are ready to dip into the batter. Let us dip all the stuffed mushrooms into the batter and place them on the breadcrumbs. Likewise, prepare all the stuffed mushrooms in the same way. Allow the breadcrumbs to form a uniform layer around the mushrooms. Now place the mushroom on the palm and tap the breadcrumbs together with the help of fingers so that it does not get separated while frying, and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Now let us switch on the stove and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, place the refrigerated mushrooms into the oil. I am shallow frying the mushrooms. You may also deep fry them. Once the mushrooms turn golden brown, you may flip to the other side and fry them until golden brown. It's come out perfectly and it's time to remove from the pan. Now our cheesy stuffed crispy mushrooms are ready. Try this recipe and post your comments in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.